ChatGPT has turned out to be an all-rounder. If you haven't been keeping up, they've added approximately 735 plugins for us to use.
This is my favorite one so far. Nice job, team.
The thing is, they're only available to the Plus users, so you want to know what they can do before you purchase them, right? Welcome to How to AI, and in this video we've spent a lot of time to bring you the 10 absolute best ChatGPT plugins. Before we get into those, however, make sure to get our entirely free AI tool cheat sheet with over 200 plus tools. Just press the card in the top right corner or check out the link at the top of the description. It takes about 15 seconds to sign up. As always, subscribe if you haven't already, and if you don't want to commit to that yet, feel free to leave a like, comment, and share this video. It also helps out a lot. Now, for the plugins. Let's start with number 10, Wolfram. Wolfram is the plugin for you that's been waiting for ChatGPT to get access to real-time data. Not only that, it will also let you solve math problems. If you're a student working on calculus or an expert handling numbers, this plugin will definitely help you. You'll find Wolfram in your app's plugins. Hit install, set your preferences, and maybe link your Wolfram account, and you're good to go. After that, you can prompt GPT with questions like solve x squared plus 5x plus 6 equals 0. And Wolfram will solve it for you. There's broad access to create graphs and access Wolfram language, but most importantly, you'll be sure that the answers you get aren't restricted to data from 2021. Next, number 9, Show Me Diagrams. This visualization plugin turns complex ideas into simple visuals. It's perfect for brainstorming, explaining, or planning. Think of it as your personal artist. It takes your text inputs and creates diagrams, flowcharts, and even mind maps. Just install it, tell it what you need, like draw a software development process flowchart, and your diagram will be ready in no time. And don't worry, you'll always be able to modify your command to change the diagram. Number 8, VoxScript. Now, if you combine Show Me Diagrams with VoxScript, you'll get the real ChatGPT experience. VoxScript itself is a versatile plugin that pulls information from all over the web, giving you real-time results and specific website content. If you're into research or writing, it'll be perfect for you. VoxScript can take out content from places like Pastebin and GitHub Gists, get YouTube video data, and even do searches. Even if you need up-to-the-minute website info, it won't be a problem for VoxScript. Number 7, the Zapier plugin. You can call Zapier a mega plugin. Simply put, it works with ChatGPT and makes your apps communicate with each other. To be brief, it connects important things like emails, social media, and cloud storage to your chats. You can set up automated workflows called Zaps, which can do things like save your ChatGPT chats to Google Sheets. And as many of you have guessed, you can manage these Zaps right in ChatGPT. Number 6, Ask Your PDF. Ask Your PDF is truly next level. It turns boring PDFs into interesting documents that you can search and interact with. For example, you can ask it to provide you with summaries or explain legal terms in the PDF you upload. All you have to do is upload the actual PDF, and then the plugin does the rest. It's actually great for finding information in big files super fast. You can ask questions like, what does data visualization mean? Or summarize the study's conclusion, and you'll get the answers you need. You can even use it with those Zaps we talked about. Imagine it automatically turning report data into summaries or making charts from PDF information. The potential to save loads of time that this plugin has is crazy. Now, Video Insights. Video Insights is one of the best tools for getting information from YouTube videos without any issues. This plugin will deeply analyze your videos, giving you transcripts, important points, and short summaries. Whether you're a student doing research or a professional at analyzing videos, this plugin will save you time. All it needs is the video link, and it does the rest. Video Insights will then give you the words from the video and a quick summary. You can even ask it for particular things like the main points or how people in the video feel. This makes understanding videos possible on a whole new level and saves you a ton of time. Number 4, ChatGPT Code Interpreter. The ChatGPT Code Interpreter plugin is perfect for coding. It allows you to run Python code right in your chats. But it's not just Python, it'll do other jobs too. Pretty much the perfect tool for data analysis. You can use it to turn data into graphs and charts from CSV files crazy fast. It's way quicker than doing it by hand. And most importantly, it's also compatible with images. It'll take a look at them, tell you what's in the image, and even change things like colors and sizes. It's not the best photo editor out there, but it sure helps get things done. It also has a lot of other uses that make coding, data analysis, and image tweaking way easier than ever before. Try it out. Number 3, AdX. You know, education is a necessity, but it can cost a lot. Professors are often pretty demanding, which can be a good thing also, but mostly the courses are more expensive than they have to be. What most people really need are books and other things to learn from. For those of you who enjoy teaching yourselves and diving into subjects, finding the right course can be a real pain. That's where this useful plugin called AdX will help you out. All you've got to do is ask for the course you want, and it'll find it for you. The response will be a bunch of course options with links and explanations. From there, you just hop onto the website and sign up. Some courses are free, some you gotta pay for. And if you're only into the free items, just let the plugin know. It's pretty cool because you can even learn from some prestigious universities without spending a dime, all at your own pace. Sounds too good to be true, right? Number 2, Web Pilot. Web Pilot is a perfect add-on that makes web browsing and doing things online way easier. It allows you to ask it questions about the websites you're on, and it'll give you smart answers based on what's on those pages. You can even prompt it to give you summaries of the pages and interesting questions to think about. This is useful for people who write a lot of things, make content, care about SEO keywords, or put together words for a living. It's not just limited to websites, however. It can also do its thing with PDF files, which can be helpful like the Ask Your PDF plugin. For those of you that are a student or a researcher, this thing speeds up the whole reading and learning process. Number 1, There's an AI for that. Finally, we have a unique plugin called There's an AI for that. This AI tool and plugin will help you find the best possible prompts to satisfy your needs. As you already know, there's thousands of AI tools that'll help with writing, drawing, planning, and lots of other tasks. Instead of tearing your hair out trying to find these tools, just tell this plugin what you're looking for, and it just gives you a list of options with short explanations of the tools and the related links. The great part is that it's not just plain text. It will even show you some visuals to help you decide. If you want more choices, there's a button to click that provides even more options. And when you click the links, it takes you to a website that will give you every bit of information needed for that specific tool. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. I'm sure you'd rather be on the winning side of AI knowledge than on the losing one, so make sure to press the button. Other than that, check out the absolutely free AI tool cheat sheet we've made for you guys. It includes over 200 plus tools and is linked in the top of the description. I'm telling you, you don't want to miss it. Have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one.